In this video, we'll show you how to use Trace, the new continuous measurement function for the vPen in iCON trades. Trace automatically records points as you move the vPen. It's the ideal solution for capturing fine details and complex curves that would otherwise require dozens of manual measurements. While working in an active 2D plane, select your vPen from the target manager. Activate Trace at any time by long pressing the measure button, either on the tablet screen or the remote. Once Trace is active, the measurement type automatically switches to polyline. The vPen now captures points continuously as you move, and intelligently pauses whenever you stop. Follow the edge smoothly, keeping the vPen as perpendicular to the surface as possible for maximum accuracy. Simply tap the measure button once to exit Trace and return to manual measurements. Use the advanced smoothing tool to convert your measured polyline into CNC-ready lines and arcs. Trace provides a fast, precise way to capture irregular geometry using the vPen. For more information, visit our website or contact your local Leica Geosystems representative.